after downloading from Google Drive, so you need to go to your download file. So download here, so and you can go from this PC, and then go to download file and then search your download. Okay, my download file is in here. So this so this is the zip file, zip file, so you need to unzip. Okay, yes, this crap file, this is the crap file, so your window antivirus software will detect and kill this file, so you need to close your antivirus software so that not to kill this file. So if you are using internet, so you need to do airplane modes firstly, and then so you need to go to your defense. Okay, window definer, window security. Okay, you can write here also WINDO window security like this. Okay, you can click window security. After clicking, you can go virus and threat protection, so like this. After that, please go down, so virus and threat protection, so please manage setting clicks, and then you have to turn off your real-time protection. This means you are turning off your antivirus software. That's antivirus software defines your some virus. So this classify, and so from the antivirus software, this antivirus software may understand your profile as the virus. So you need to close. So after closing, so you can go back to your file location. Okay, turn on, so that means very dangerous, so don't worry, this for this software. Okay, after that you need to extract your file. For example, I need to extract, so this is, so I need to extract these two files. So please right click and then extract file. Click extract file. Your extract file is C user or your computer name, download folders, so with the folder names like this. So okay, no problem. So this file will extract, and then you need to extract this file also. So your CRUD file has two files, so and then you need to extract. Okay, yes to all. Okay, yes to all. So I have already extracted one of the files, so please find maybe here your file folders, so KMS, and where is, okay, here. So before you run this KMSPICO, you need to run this. So please go in. So okay, I will show again. So please enter by double clicks, and then double clicks, and then your window is 64 bits or not. So if you want to know your window is 64 bit or 32 bit, you need to check. So most of nowadays most of computers are use 64 bits Windows. Okay, please select this PC and then right click properties, and then you may see system type here is 64 bits. If so, you need to choose 64 bits. Okay, here we go back, and then this, and then right clicks. Okay, before installing this you need to read. Okay, this is the division. Okay, no need. and then right click run as administrator. Yes. So so that may takes your okay, that may takes a few minutes. Window activation or office, you can choose. Okay, you can also activate by using this software, this CRUD software. So uh, for now, so office activation, so you need to click office. You can click windows, office like this. Now, this software will takes a little longer for you, so you can do anything. So while so let me pause. Okay, this software is installing your product ID license like this. Okay, so maybe finished, so exit, so you can close. After installing this, you need to install okay, this GMSPICO. So you need to select and then right click and then run as administrator. Okay, next I accept the done like this. Next, so okay, next, okay, automatically close the application. Next, okay, an error while trying to replace the existing files. Access denied. Retry. Ignore the skill not recommended or abort. Retry. An error while trying to replace delete file field code. Access is denied. What's problem? Select installing. So because I've already installed this, so I install again, so that error appears for me. So you may not like me. Okay, if so, I hope that's finished. So please try like this. I hope your license problem may be okay. So thanks for watching.